Today, Tegan, Sophie, and I are going to be making Christmas cookies. Let's go!
After gathering all of your ingredients, first sift 3 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt together, and then set it aside. In a large bowl, cream together 1 cup of margarine and 1 1/2 cups of white sugar until it's light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time. You'll need 2 eggs. Then stir in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Gradually blend in the sifted ingredients you set aside earlier until fully absorbed. Then cover the dough with saran wrap and chill for 2 hours. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and grease your cookie sheets. On a clean, floured surface, roll out your chilled dough to a 1/4 inch thickness, and then cut it out using floured cookie cutters. Place the cutout cookies on the greased cookie sheet and bake for 6 to 8 minutes in the preheated oven or until the edges are barely brown. Remove from cookie sheets and place them to cool on wire racks. And now have fun decorating!